Good morning, YouTube. Hope you're all doing well. Today is the day that I am getting the gaming setup done. So I finished moving house part 2 yesterday. I finished that vlog. I thought because I'm sleeping here, most of the stuff was already here. The wardrobe was done. I've just brought like 1 or 2 extra things. So yeah, I finished that vlog yesterday. When everything's fully done and I've got the setup back, that's when I'm going to edit part 1, part 2. I've got 2 other vlogs to edit, and then I've got two more vlogs planned, which isn't moving out related. They're actually going out on adventures and stuff. Both of those are free budget day outs. Like, you haven't got to spend the money. All you got to do is fuel and either pack a lunch or buy lunch out. But to actually go to these places, they are completely free. As you know, I'm renting a house share and stuff. I'm not one of these YouTubers that have loads of money. So yeah, they're going to be budget day outs that you guys as well can go to, have fun. They're actually really fun days, and they're going to be awesome vlogs. So they're coming soon. But yeah, today, this is the day that we are getting the setup built. So I'll switch the camera around and I'll show you the plan. So I loaded up my car this morning. It was full to the brim. Let me just show you what I've brought. So I've emptied the bedroom at my old house. I've brought my speakers over, my flight sim panel, my keyboard, my mouse is there. Yeah, my mouse is there. Got the mouse mat, that's LED as well. My 3 monitors, my monitor arm is there. That's my safe. Brought the PC over. Ryan, my brother, he helped move the drawers yesterday because I needed the drawers, because all the boxes down there that was there, you haven't seen that yet, I'll explain that in a minute, but the boxes that were there, I couldn't unpack until I'd got these drawers, because I spent 99% of my time at my old house at my desk. So I basically lived out of the drawers. So most of my stuff was in my drawers. So I couldn't unpack most of the boxes until those drawers were there. So he actually got his car back after his MOT, passed his MOT. And then he actually loaded the drawers up and brought them over for me. So yeah, big shout out to my brother Ryan, because he helped me massively bring in those drawers. So yeah, run through the plan again. So I'm gonna put all of those. I built this yesterday. It was I think it was £35 from B&M. But yeah, I got Scarlett's stuff. That's Scarlett's toys. I'm also gonna try and fill that in there, because we've got all them as well. Puzzles and stuff. Depending how lightweight this is, my mate is coming over later. So if we can sort of drill it down, because it's not the most sturdy thing. But yeah, it is doing its job. You can see there's already some dust collecting on there. So it is doing its thing, because I wanted Scarlett stuff down there. So yeah, I'm going to unpack all Scarlett stuff. This box is full of like aftershaves and deodorants and that sort of stuff. I'm going to put them on this shelf, and this shelf is going to go roughly here, as long as I can pick these boxes up, because there's 2 on top of each other. So as long as I can pick that one up to get into that without it hitting the shelf, all of my aftershaves and deodorants and all that sort of stuff will go onto that shelf. They're the offcuts of this wood that I got from B&Q in moving out part 2. So yeah, so it's 10:45 at the moment. I was texting my mate yesterday, the one who's helping me bring the actual worktop over. We did plan to meet at mine for 10 o'clock, so I got to mine at 8 o'clock, because I'm always early for everything. Thought, right, I've got 2 hours, I'll completely loaded up the car. Thought, right, it's about 9 o'clock now. I'll chill for a bit, because there's no point in me going home to come back to this house to get the desk. He texted me at like 10 past 10 saying, oh, sorry mate, I've only just woke up. So I was like, right, I'm not going to stress you out, I'm not going to rush you. I am going to take all of my stuff over to the new house, unpack it all, sort it out. Then I'll give you a text to say I'm on my way back. So yeah, the worktop and the gaming setup will be done today. So I'll sort this out, and then I'll update you when it's gaming related, because that's what this video is about. So we're just loading the car up. We got the desk straight through the car. My office chair came as well. It weren't meant to come till tomorrow, but that's about that. And yeah, we just tied it down so it's safe. Well, Callum's tying it down so it's safe, and I'm watching and surveying. So guys, just had a Five Guys. So as you've seen in the clip before, my mate was putting that shelf up for me. He also borrowed his sister's car so we could take the desk over. He's also helped me put a mirror up. Yeah, the mirror. There was a couple of other. Oh, the TV mounting as well. So and he helped cut the desk as well. So he has helped me so much, and I really appreciate it. So, as a thank you, I said I'd treat him to Five Guys. I was going to go to McDonald's, but I thought I'd step it up a level. But yeah, everything is now officially in the new house. So yeah, we're going to build the gaming setup when I go back. But one last time, I just wanted to say goodbye to this room, because I don't think I'll ever step foot in it again. And there's loads of memories in here. This carpet really needs cleaning. Right guys, back at the house. My dad just popped round for a cup of tea. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly show you what we're gonna do. So the shelf's in place now. I need to clean this up first. Then I'm gonna empty this box. I'll put them boxes back. I've got a few little kitchen bits down there. So once that's done, I'll do that off camera because it's unrelated to this video. I'm gonna unbox the chair. We'll do that on like a time lapse because I've got the tripod ready for it. Once that's done, then we'll build the setup and we'll run through it all. So guys, shelves in and all sorted. So a bit off topic. I know it's not gaming setup related, but this will take 2 seconds, and I promise the next thing we are building the desk. I just wanted to say, the shelf that we built, obviously when you drill in holes and with drills into brick, it leaves dust everywhere. I haven't got a vacuum anywhere. And I did ask a guy, one of the guys that live here, when we first moved in, I said, oh, excuse me mate, is there I got hiccups. I said, excuse me mate, is there like a communal vacuum anywhere? And he said, no, I don't think so, but I think there's a cleaner that comes around every 2 weeks, but like he's never seen her. So then I heard a vacuum upstairs, and then I'd seen him putting a vacuum in his car, and I said, excuse me mate, can I be really cheeky? I've literally just drilled some holes. Am I okay just to borrow your vacuum for like 2 seconds? And he was like, yeah mate, go for it. Who's sound? Yeah. One of the nicest people I've ever met. They're all like, I've met 2 other people as well, and they seem really nice as well. And the guy said to me after, he said, oh, you know, there's four or 5 of us living here. Maybe we all put a tenner each, and we just get a vacuum and we can keep it in the thing. And I was like, yeah mate, I'm down for it. Maybe like we can put something on the notice board, and yeah, we can definitely do it. But he's like, I couldn't ask for a nicer neighbour. Like, his sound, every time I see him, he's like, oh mate, how you doing? You okay though? Yeah, how you finding it? Do you need anything? So he's a really nice guy. But yeah, enough of that. Let's get this setup built. I am an absolute moron. I've just sat talking to you for a minute, or minute and maybe 2 minutes. Guess who was still in time-lapse mode? Yeah, I'm going to insert the video here. And what a knob I am. So yeah, I've got this. and it's the box of electrics and some other random junk that I need to put in the drawers, but I put them on top because yeah, I still needed them. So security camera, that's going on. As I said just in that 3-second time lapse where I was talking to you, if you'd watched day 0 of going to Greece on holiday, if you haven't watched that video, I recommend watching the Greece videos. They are awesome. Had a lovely time, but now we're back in the UK. Drizzly. Day 0, about 1.5 minutes into the video, I show you my gaming setup and just how messy it was. There was so much junk on it. There was pop figures on it. There was Xbox, like there was loads of stuff. There was an access point on there. There was just junk everywhere, and I'm not letting this desk get like that ever again. So I can literally see the desk. It literally looks like that at the minute. It's horrible. Yeah, I don't know whether to get a pole, some wood. I'll have to measure it up. I might take a trip to B&Q in a minute. Depends what time it's open till, because I don't like the look of it at the minute. Like, it's really bad. But yeah, I'm gonna literally just cable up, see what we can get on. I'm gonna keep it minimal. I'm gonna keep it like clean. So yeah, I'm just gonna start cabling up. Right, I said I wanted to do it minimal, so let me just show you. So, one sec. These are the cables that I'm using. So I'm using 2 power strips. So because I'm on a electric meter, I've got 1 power strip that will always be on. That's gonna go that side. That will power the what's that gonna power? That's gonna power the PC, the security camera, because obviously, like the PC, I've had issues with this PC. When there's a power cut or it loses power, there's chances it don't turn on. I've tried changing the CMOS, I've tried updates, BIOS updates, all of that. It's just a fault with the PC at the minute. So yeah, they're going to be powered on that power strip. Probably for cabling as well. I'll plug in the 2 Xboxes. And then I've got video cables, and then the other strip will power the speakers. Yeah, they'll power the speakers and the 3 monitors as well. If the cables can reach, if that one can't reach, I'll just power that down there. So yeah, I'm gonna power it up. But before I say, I know I said I wanted to keep it minimalistic. They're the cables that were included in the setup last time that I haven't reused. Obviously, I need my Xbox controller, so that's coming out. I need my headset, so that is also coming out. That's what's left over on it. Yeah, it's going to be a lot cleaner. So it's getting here. Everything's powered. I haven't touched the top yet. From here, the bottom looks good apart from that 1 cable. And then if we go down, oh, falling over. I've done Velcro cable tie. I'm going to try and clean them wires up a little bit more. The cable management's not the best. However, this is the best that I have ever had. Like, I am so impressed. Even though there's still 3 visible cables and they do look a bit, especially the red cable. But yeah, I might move that as well. I've got one more. I might do that actually. Yeah, I've got one more cable power thing there. I'm gonna move it. Yeah, but it's getting there. The only thing left to do is video cables then. So yeah, catch up in a sec. Right guys, so video cables are all in now. I haven't actually plugged them into the PC yet, but I'm gonna clean up. Still need to put the chair away. But it's 4:15 now. Yeah, I'm gonna clean up, and then I've quickly got to pop to my old house. I just got back to my old house. Parcels acquired. That could either be one of 2 things. I know I'm praying that it's the one that I want, but I don't think it's gonna be. Those are for the gaming setup. Now with another 2-mile drive back for the 4th or 5th time today. Right guys, just made it back home. Show you the parcels quick. So we got LED strip for around the desk. That I ordered it last night and it's come today. I think it's 5 meters. I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 5 meters, but it's remote controlled and stuff. And then the last one is the USB powered ones because that's going to wrap around the telly, and I think that's two. I'm pretty sure we ordered 2 meter ones. So, and the other parcel, the one that I was hoping it was something else, it is the other thing. So yeah, that's Emma's birthday present and not my Syndicate original merch. So guys, the only thing left to do now is set the chair up and then get the cables looking as neat as I can do. Also, because I've probably messed up some cables and plugged them in other ways and stuff. So yeah, I'll probably have to do monitor layout. And then I'm going to try and find a new background because, you know, new house, new background. So guys, just got back. I had a message. Someone sent me like the Lidl newsletter thing. It said on their website that they normally sell limoncello for like $9.99, but they're doing it for like £7 something. So I thought, right, gonna go to Lidl, buy some limoncello, my favourite drink, love it. Got there, didn't have none. Wanted to have a look for this like Ninja air fryer replica, didn't have it, so wasted time there. But just look at this. We are on and we are ready. So I haven't gamed for like a week now. I definitely know what I'm doing tonight, but yeah, I don't think they're level. I think I need to move everything slightly that way. It is bang in the middle, but because you've got the Xboxes and stuff, it doesn't look like it. But I really like it. And this chair, oh my god, this chair was like £35 off Amazon. I'll link the chair in the description, along with like the specs and stuff. Yeah, £35, right? That chair is so much more comfortable than my like £170 gaming chair at home, the one that's like ripped to shreds. This chair is comfy and I feel like I could sit in that for hours, whereas my really expensive gaming chair, even though it reclines and stuff, I feel like I could only manage like 3 hours in that. But yeah, I reckon I could sit in that all day. It's so comfortable, like even to the point where I don't think I'm gonna get the camping chair out to watch TV. So a waste of like money, but I suppose if someone comes around. But guys, that's it. The only thing left to do is the LED lights, but I actually really can't be bothered to do them today. I mean, I've got work tomorrow, so got to get uniform ready. I've got to do lunch. I still haven't eaten yet, and it's like 7:15 at night. Yeah, so I'm just gonna sit back, game for a couple of hours, and then I'll probably just chuck a pizza in tonight, and then we will start eating healthier. But guys, I hope you've enjoyed this vlog as well. If you haven't, sorry, I had a notification. Yeah, if you've enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and that. And also go check out Moving House Part 1 and 2. They should be up before these videos. I haven't even, well, I've started editing Moving House Part 1, but with moving out as well, it's been hard to edit them all. And also, if you haven't obviously just checked out the Greece holiday, check that. Vlogs coming soon. I've got 3 days out that are amazing. They are so much fun, and it's free as well, so that's coming soon. So yeah guys, thank you so much, and I will catch you later.